In a significant military showcase held in Benghazi on May 26, 2025, the Libyan National Army, LNA, publicly rolled out Russian-origin BM-30 Smerch multiple launch rocket systems, MLRS, marking a dramatic enhancement in its long-range strike capabilities. The event commemorated the 11th anniversary of Operation Al-Karama, a campaign launched in 2014 against Islamist forces in eastern Libya, by unveiling a variety of previously unseen military hardware, most of it supplied by Russia. Among the newly presented assets was the formidable BM-30 Smerch, a 300mm MLRS first fielded by the Soviet Union in the 1980s. Mounted on the MAZ-543M 8-wheel chassis, the system can unleash a dozen rockets in under a minute. These rockets, with a maximum reach of 90 kilometers, can be fitted with a diverse array of warheads, including high-explosive fragmentation, fuel-air explosives, submunitions for anti-tank or anti-personnel use, and cluster munitions. The system is operated as part of an integrated battery, supported by command and control elements and supply vehicles, and is enhanced by satellite navigation and targeting systems for pinpoint accuracy even in low-visibility conditions. The Smerch is designed to devastate broad target zones, including enemy troop concentrations, artillery positions, logistical nodes, air defenses, and command centers. Its extensive range allows for deep strikes behind enemy lines while staying out of reach of most counter-battery fire. Its rapid saturation capability and munition versatility make it a valuable asset for both defensive postures and preemptive offensive strikes. In modern battle scenarios, this gives commanders a crucial edge in disrupting enemy formations before close contact occurs. This military exhibition also underscores the growing footprint of Russian influence in Libya. Since shifting some of its assets from Syria after the fall of the Assad regime, Moscow has stepped up support for Field Marshal Khalifa Haftar. Russian hardware now flows into Libya, including advanced missile defense systems such as the S-300 and S-400, as well as combat aircraft like the MiG-29 and Su-24, operated by Russian personnel. Russian logistical and operational infrastructure in Libya has expanded considerably. Airbases at Al-Karama, Al-Jufra, and Brak al-Shadi have been upgraded to serve as strategic outposts for Moscow's broader operations on the African continent. Additionally, the deployment of the Russian Ministry of Defense's Africa Corps, successor to the Wagner Group, has bolstered the LNA's manpower with an estimated 2,000 personnel. Talks are also underway for a Russian naval base in Tobruk, which would offer direct maritime access to the Mediterranean and position Russian forces within proximity of NATO interests. The fielding of the Smerch MLRS further boosts the LNA's firepower beyond the capabilities of its older 122mm Grad systems. The system's extended range and destructive potential allow Haftar's forces to launch precision strikes on enemy infrastructure or supply lines well before they face direct threats. Its appearance in LNA-controlled zones in eastern and central Libya signals a strategic recalibration, moving towards engagements that rely on long-distance artillery dominance and minimizing head-on confrontations. This deployment compels opposition forces to re-evaluate their defensive postures, as they now face an adversary capable of delivering powerful indirect fire across vast distances. The Smerch not only represents a technical upgrade but also signals a shift in operational doctrine, giving the LNA the means to project force across Libya with increased speed, precision, and lethality.